All right, you guys know this person. This is Nick from Sunshine State RVs.
Sir, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for a few minutes. We're at the Ocala RV show. This is February 29. It's a leap year.
It is a leap year.
So that's got me all confused. We're at the Ocala RV show in Ocala, Florida. Gainesville is where you guys are headquartered, right?
Yep, about 40 minutes north of here.
Always sunny, endless summer Florida.
Always
pretty cool.
sunshine.
We're gonna have Nick we're gonna head, see this one right down here? That's the new Galleria by Coachmen on the big Mercedes.
Yep.
So that's where we're headed. We're gonna kind of go down the Coachmen aisle here and have Nick we'll pop our head in a few of these. You got some Novas here, you got some Beyonds. So I'm gonna spin the camera around, and my name's Scott, by the way, for meeting for the first time.
No one meets you for the first time. Everybody knows you.
I feel like a celebrity. I've already had so many people stop me and say, I know you. I'm like,
they buy you a beer, they buy you a coffee.
They bring me bourbon occasionally.
There we go. There we go. Now that's a real celebrity. If they say hi, that don't mean nothing.
Yeah, whatever, right? Signatures don't, but bourbon, you got my attention. Got it. All right, let's spin this around and let's see some vans.
So we are, in our display, we have about 50 Class B vans in one spot. So this is the start of the Nova area. I think we have 11 Novas, or 11 Coachmen, I should say. So we got Coachman Nova there, Coachman Nova here. This is a white one. I like the white. To me, I like the white with the black wheels. I think that really kind of pops, you know? It's like a nice look. This one is, let's see what floor plan. This is the D.
Which means
floor plan.
The bathroom's right here. You got
side bath, rear dinette, very cool. You know, Coachman's been trying to giving themselves this facelift, and so you know they went with a newer wheel. But then what's really cool, and I know we've done a lot, but like you said, if someone's here for the first time, come on this side of me. If someone is here for the first time, they're checking out. So they got some new storage on the rear doors, which I think is genius because in a 20-foot van, every square centimeter of storage is a big deal.
It's so
huge deal. So you got the big storage compartment down there. You got storage all up on top, but then both of these doors have this really cool storage thing. So I think it really is cup holder storage. It's the little things that really make a big difference. And Scott, you live in your van all the time. How much would you like to have something like that?
It's pretty miraculous, actually. I put mine on the outside. That's what I had to do. Speaking of this,
you can have it on the outside and inside.
Well, that's true.
I mean, why not?
This is kind of new, right?
This is brand new. This is something that they're doing also for that facelift. This is a Rover Vans. This is a ladder and a spare tire holder. And if someone's bothering you, you just kind of mount them right up on that spike right there. So
I've seen that in a horror movie before.
Or the Viking movies or something. But this is a ladder. So some people always ask, how do I get to the top? So you just kind of climb up it. And it's very easy to climb up and down.
Let me get on this side.
I don't know if you can see that or not.
Yep.
But you can check out your roof, you can clean it, you can access it, but then very easy to climb right back down as well. So I like those there.
And the important thing is these don't come with a tire normally, right?
Correct.
So to have it mounted here, and if you need to use it, it's really easy to get the tire off.
It is, yep. So you just spin it just like that.
Like that, and you put it on.
Comes right off.
I mean, AAA would put it on for you, but here it is, right? Makes it super easy.
Yeah, and that probably should be shaved down, Scott.
Yeah. I'll get on that right away.
Right away.
I brought my filing.
Your shaver?
Whatever you call that thing. Uh-oh, watch out for the
It's not a shaver.
All right.
Okay, so that is a Nova.
That's a Nova.
Then we're kind of going into a Beyond here. And I don't know if you noticed something different about this Beyond, but this is a brand new color that Coachman has just released.
Is it white? Is it gray?
It's kind of like a light bluish
It's kind of in
ceramic.
I like it.
Ash. I don't know what the name is.
It's hard to see this light, but
It's like
beautiful.
an asphalt.
Dove gray?
I don't know. But then
Matches the interior.
the interior also has the gray cabinets. It's called Avalanche Gray.
Avalanche gray.
So that is Avalanche Gray. So this is a lithium model. This is the C. So it has the couch in the back along with a nice gentleman here exploring it that we're bothering him.
Sorry.
No, not at all.
Sorry, my friend.
No.
Say hi to YouTube.
So nice, the modern, they call these the modern gray cabinets. This has the Truma air conditioner, has the Firefly, has the Lithionics lithium system. It has the new floors, has a square sink, which is the new style here. So really flows with the exterior color flowing into the interior color. I think this is a real cool look.
I agree with you. It's modern. It's contemporary. It's not too dark. It's not.
Correct.
It's not bright white. It's really well done.
Yeah.
Kind of monochromatic.
Yeah.
So
I like it.
Power bed. These.
Oh, you know what else this has?
Uh-oh.
A second lithium battery. So this has a 1060 second 630 amp hour lithium. 1,060 amp hour. No, 1,260. 630 plus 630. 1,260 amp hours of lithium battery.
That is insane.
I hope I priced this accordingly.
I know.
I did not. Oh, I did not price it accordingly. We will be adjusting that here in a minute.
Hurry, get it while you can.
But I like
just
this
really
avalanche
great space
gray.
management, and it's soft. They do such a beautiful job.
Hey, did you see this color? Isn't it sharp? This
and
is
it's
nice.
on the Ford Transit.
It is
chassis.
all-wheel drive chassis.
Great engine, dual wheel.
So this is the traditional silver.
Yeah.
And this one here, one of these is a rear bath, one of these is a D model. That's the rear bath that has the maple cabinets. This is the D model with the white cabinet. So this is all three of their.
And Corey's almost YouTube famous like you.
Corey
Corey's the one that gives
is.
you the
Corey
walkthroughs,
actually
right?
does more work than I do every day. Corey teaches
Corey
people
believes it.
how to use. He does believe it. Corey
just
teaches people how to
volunteered.
use their RVs, and gets them off on a good start on their experience.
100%. And this is kind of the bathroom on the side.
Yep. So this one has the Onan generator, and it has the twin bed. No, this is a C. I'm sorry. This is a C also. As you're looking, you have the rear bath, which is a cool. We can actually look at the rear bath from the back,
Oh, that's a good idea.
which is neat. So the rear bath has the nice big. This is one that Hank Strange has. So nice big rear bathroom. This is, great storage pockets. There we go again with the storage pockets. Storage here, storage all the way there, storage in the back.
And I love this implementation of a rear bath because they put a bit of a wall here so you don't have your commode hanging out all the time.
Yeah.
It kind of gives a little, so you can actually open your doors for some breeze and not really have your commode hanging out.
Yes,
This
breeze
too
coming
is
out.
Evacuating fumes.
Evacuating
And this is
fumes.
actually very valuable space, a little bit of horizontal space in the bathroom for makeup, shaving, what have
Yeah.
you. Otherwise, you're using this for a shelf. Just beautiful. The cabinetry is always amazing.
Yes,
and
they have an
Amish.
Amish cabinet factory right down the road from their factory that makes them all. Then this is the Beyond, this is the D right here. So the D has the dinette, so like the twin beds in the back. Oh, she's about to drive this thing. We better be careful.
I know.
Are you leaving?
She's taking it with you.
She's taking it with her.
and
You
some new
cannot
friends.
drive this out of here.
And some new friends go with you.
She can, I agree. Oh, there we go. 5 foot tall people can drive this, she said, because the seat goes up.
That is,
Have you been in other ones that you can't drive?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And so this is a big deal, isn't it?
you're
Yeah.
pretty comfy in there.
5
man.
foot tall in a Ford Transit. Look at that. Look at that. Problem solved. See, I always say, people ask me what do I do? I say, I solve problems. She had a problem. I just solved it.
You just raised the seat. Good job, sir.
Raise the seat. Okay, so the one that we're ending, well, we have two other Gallerias here. So we got 3 Gallerias right here. This is the Q model. So this has the 4 seats in the front.
Oh, yeah.
Q for quad is what I'm assuming. And then this is the A floor plan, which is pretty unique. Nobody else really has a floor plan like this. What's cool about it is you have a little desk area in the front.
yes.
So like if it's me, I'm swiveling this around and I'm using a little desk area in the front here.
This is
I mean,
so
this
awesome.
is nice, right?
Yeah,
little
right.
desk area hanging out. Check out this. This is the hidden secret here.
No way.
How cool is that?
Cat food, dog food.
Cat, dog, something. But you have the beds in the back.
Not your spouse, though, right?
No,
No.
never.
Yours is high
My spouse might make me eat from there. Nick, your sandwiches are in the dog bowl.
Because you're in the doghouse.
So you got twin beds back there. But what's really cool is that entire bottom underneath that's a big garage. Tons of storage. Tons of storage under there.
So again, this is pretty unusual, and this is what I like. They've taken this very large Mercedes. This is the biggest
24
extended,
foot. Yep.
and they use those couple extra feet to make 2 twin beds or 1 giant bed. You still have storage above, storage down below. I mean, laundry basket included.
Isn't that cool?
TV, just the beautiful cabinetry again. Huge fridge,
Maple cabinets.
maple cabinets. Locked? I don't want to break it.
Nope, it's not locked. Just kind of
Apparently you've been to the gym more
the
than I have
Midas
lately.
touch. It's the Midas touch.
Again, TV, just a great use of space. Induction cooktop. This is kind of unusual
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
I like this right here a lot.
100%, right?
A lot. Especially for someone like you who works on the road.
Yeah, you can
This
leave
would be
your
a
stuff out
great
all the
little
time.
desk right here.
And a lagoon table here.
Yep, lagoon table that swivels around there, 2 seats. You got the Firefly everywhere.
So we're going to ask Nick to tell us what makes Sunshine State RVs special. And if you're in Central Florida or you want to come down from Minnesota, I met somebody that came down from Minnesota.
Someone came down from Wisconsin
today.
today.
Wisconsin, because they're getting out of the terrible weather up there.
Yes.
Come to the Ocala RV show. You guys probably have one of the biggest booths here, I think.
We do.
You got a ton of vans.
Well, definitely the most vans. We have almost 50 vans here at our display.
That's because you guys only do vans.
That's it.
It's so
only
great.
Vans.
So Sunshine State RV, we love them. They sponsor some of our Vanbury campouts this year. Thanks for that. And the What's Up Wednesday segment every week, which is so great. Thank you for that. You guys,
People really look forward to it. People set their calendar.
It's become a
for
thing.
your What's Up Wednesdays.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
When I was a kid, I used to watch TGIF, like Full House and Family. I remember Friday nights at like 7 o'clock, those shows would start. And there was no TiVo or DVR back then.
Yeah.
You just have to sit there and watch it.
You have to run TV on their schedule.
Run TV on their schedule, but it's like yours. People set their clock, they watch their What's Up Wednesdays.
They're all
in
waiting room, waiting for it to go live. It's pretty great. What are a couple things that make Sunshine State RVs so special?
Yeah, so our Sunshine Elite Club is really what sets us apart. And it's all stuff that we do that we've always done, but we kind of called it something so people would understand the value of it. We don't charge anything. We don't charge any dealer fees or anything, but we guarantee service appointments within 5 days. We pick you up from your house, pick up the van, bring it to us if you're within 100 miles of us, service it, re-deliver it back to you. We're doing that every day right now for people. We also free delivery anywhere in the country. Or we fly you in so you can find your dream van and buy it. We'll fly you here, pick out your van, then we put you up at a campground for your first 2 nights, teach you how to use it, really go through everything with you. So that way when you leave Gainesville, you know how to work your RV and you know that everything works.
It's so
Two very important things, because you can know how to work it. If everything doesn't work, it doesn't matter. And if everything does work and you don't know how to work it,
that's why they offer phone support.
yeah, and we do tech support. Thank you. We do tech support. So if you're not in Gainesville, let's say you are in Wisconsin, and you do decide that you want to take your van out and something doesn't work, you call us, and we give you tech support anytime, no charge, and we help you.
And no charge for this video.
No charge for the video either.
We just love working with these guys. They're a great team. Again, if you're looking for a camper van and you're in Washington State, they can help you out, as you just talked about. So
we have one going to California today and Oklahoma tomorrow.
It's so great.
People driving right to their front doors.
Come to the Ocala RV show if you're in the area. Come to Gainesville.
By the way, we missed the new one here. You didn't even get to see it.
Oh.
This wasn't the new one. This is.
Oh. Are you serious?
I'm serious.
And we got the new one.
This is the new one. I was like, man, you're closing on me early. We'll run through it kind of quick. So this is an all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, the new 4-cylinder Mercedes engine. This is the 170 extended. This has their brand new modern gray cabinets. It has the really cool stealth package that people love. So it gives you the stealth wheels, the stealth look. So that way you can park places and it doesn't quite look like an RV. It kind of looks like a van. But then when you jump in here, it feels very, very much like an RV. Check that out. This is the modern gray, the big sink, the double induction stove, the new TV, all the new insulation, the big lithium pack. I mean, it has a second lithium battery as well, so you're at 1,260 amp hours of lithium.
Love the fold-out lagoons. With a cub holder? What?
Can you believe it?
That's cool.
2 lagoon tables.
Somebody's been talking to their customers. I like it.
Yes, yes. So nice, brand new white countertop here. Yeah, everything. I mean, nice dovetail. I mean, this is the top of the line. Everything here, it really is.
It's really beautiful. Again, just the fit and finish is so nice.
Yeah.
These don't have the glass insert, so again, maybe listen to customers. You have your choice.
Yeah.
I kind of like them.
You like the glass inserts, or you like the modern
Probably
gray?
this.
You like this better?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. I don't need to see the junk that's in my cabinets.
I know, right? Yeah.
Nice big bathroom here. This has the Arctic package for polar package, polar vortex. I don't know what they call it. It's like heated tanks, heated this, heated that. They call it polar package plus tank heating system. Ooh. Double insulation, sumo springs, window covers, the screen door, the cozy wrap, every single thing they offer. Nice big fridge. You know, Coachmen does a lot of things. Look at all that there. See, this is what Corey will teach you how to use.
Yeah.
Corey will teach you how to use this
100%.
completely. Everything on here.
And it's a little overwhelming at first, but once you get some good coaching, and
And that's why we have you camp at that campground you've been to, Santa Fe Palms.
Yeah.
We have you camp there for the first 2 nights so you can really get a sense of how to use it, but knowing that you're close to home. Yeah. It's kind of like my daughter just moved out and went to college, and she moved out like 10 minutes from us, you know? So she's getting a sense of being an adult, but 10 minutes from our house.
You got a lifeline to mom and dad.
Yes, yes, which I like that. I like it.
Nick, just thank you for everything you do for the community, for van owners, van travelers, for me, for our channel. It's just been a great partnership. And if you're looking for an RV, this is the place you got to put on the top of your list because they just do it right. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate you, Scott.
We might do it again throughout the show. This goes on for a few days. So this is the opening day, opening hours.
It is.
It's pretty busy.
It is.
I mean, there's a lot of folks here.
Look at all those people. Show them.
I know, right?
I mean, people everywhere.
She's
everywhere.
Like, don't put me on YouTube. Okay. We'll see you soon. Journey on. Peace be with you.
Yes.